Hello and welcome to Units of India. On our very own show, Hamari Mang Puri Karo, we have with us State Leader of Dhangar Samaj, Shri Shravan Bakshi ji, and he will be speaking with us regarding the reservation of which the Dhangar Samaj is asking to the state government. So, welcome to our show Units of India. So, why reservation and how should our state government, the central government, give reservation to the Dhangar Samaj?
See, we are not claiming reservation for the first time. It has been already given to us by the Constitution of India, and it is a fundamental right by birth. Bihar, Jharkhand and Orissa have demanded for it to the central government, and Maharashtra government should also demand for it in the same way. But even after 60 to 65 years, state government has failed to demand it strongly.
The state government has given nomadic tribes reservation to Dhangar caste. Then why do you need other type of reservation again?
See, we had demanded the reservation for scheduled tribes, and still today we are demanding for that only. There is a provision in the Constitution of India that if central government passes any law, then no state government can override it. A state government has done this mistake deliberately, and state government is deceiving Dhangar brothers and the respective parliament also. This given decision of the state government should be taken as a breach of law.
Will our reservation is going to harm our brothers in states?
We have been cheated for last 60 years. Our demand for reservation is already given to us by the Constitution. In fact, the population of Dhangar brothers in the Bihar, Jharkhand and Orissa is much more than that of Maharashtra, and there is state have given the scheduled tribe reservation in the state as the central government law. So there is nothing to do with our brothers' right if we get ST reservation in a state.
Why it is taking so much time to implement the central government law as it was made?
The only reason behind this is the political unwillingness and the absence of political activism of our leaders. It has been clearly stated by the Honorable Supreme Court of India that any person should be taken as a culprit and imprisoned if he is not following the basic human right rules in his territory. So the state government has to be taken responsibility for this inactivity of a basic demand.
Is state government trying to check what we have given by the central government of India by appointing Tata organization on this issue?
See, state government has taken 60 years to inform central government that we are not Dhangar, DHANGAD, but we are Dhangar, DHANGAR. Beyond that, nothing has been done by our state government. The state government should answer us why they are again wasting time by appointing such committees.
So what more would you like to say to the people of Maharashtra?
Let us learn unity and fight a fundamental right, my beloved Dhangar brothers. Firstly, we are not demanding for new type of reservation. We are hoping just for the reservation given to us by the law of central government of India. And secondly, it must be given by the state government because it is a fundamental right given to us by the Constitution of India. Thirdly, in the list of scheduled tribes, number 36, we are clearly mentioned as Dhangar and not Dhangar, and it has been proved so many times by the central government of India, the circulars of various state government reservation and so on. Maharashtra government has not even signed a formal letter to make changes in this Dhangar to Dhangar. We consider this is a crime, and according to the Honorable Supreme Court of India, the responsible person of the organization should be held guilty, and we also demand this to happen if we are not given our fundamental right now, and we are really mean at this time.
So thank you, Shravan ji, that you kept your words in front of us, your precious words, and you have given your precious time to us. So just we want to say to you, let's carry your movement at another level. And what at the end, what would you like to say, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis and Mr. Narendra Modi, to in a short way?
Devendra Fadnavis had promised in Baramati. He came there and he told that we will give in the first cabinet meeting. And lastly, we are telling for that Fadnavis, please give the scheduled tribe certificate. You are not respecting the Constitution of India. You are not respecting Mr. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. And you please give that certificate. Otherwise anything will happen. You take that all risks, Mr. Fadnavis.